discover 16 game-changing workshop tools you didn't know existed, each designed to make your projects faster, easier, and more precise. These innovative tools redefine what's possible in your workspace, from advanced measuring gadgets to multi-purpose power tools. Whether you're a professional craftsman or a DIY enthusiast, these mind-blowing tools will help you achieve flawless results and unlock a whole new level of creativity and efficiency in your workshop. Festool FSHZ 160 Quick Clamp. The Festool FSHZ 160 Quick Clamp is a precision-engineered, solid steel lever clamp designed for fast, one-handed operation, making it a key component in the Festool system. Its ratcheting lever mechanism locks and releases up to 5 times faster than traditional clamps, while the 160mm clamping width provides strong, reliable grip. Built from solid alloy steel, it's vibration resistant and fits perfectly with Festool FS guide, rails and MFT tables. Users praise its effortless performance, durable construction, and perfect system compatibility. Though pricier, it's widely regarded as a premium, time-saving tool for professionals. Kreg Project Pucks 4-pack. The Kreg Project Pucks 4-pack are durable, multi-purpose work supports designed to elevate, stabilize, and protect your workpieces during sanding, painting, routing, or assembly. Hexagon-shaped puck features Kreg's Grip Max anti-slip surfaces that securely hold both the work surface and workpiece in place. A simple twist reveals retractable painting points, perfect for finishing without sticking or marring surfaces, with a 1.5-inch height for tool clearance and a 200-pound combined load capacity. These sturdy pucks are ideal for any workshop. Praised for versatility and durability, they're a must-have for woodworking, finishing, and DIY projects. Kreg R 3 Pocket Hole System. The Kreg R 3 Pocket Hole System is a compact portable jig perfect for DIYers and woodworkers who need strong, clean pocket hole joints in materials from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick. It features adjustable sliders with 9 depth settings, a durable glass reinforced nylon body, and hardened steel drill guides with a lifetime warranty. The kit includes a drill bit, driver bit, depth collar, clamp pad adapter, sample screws, and a sturdy case. Easy to use and highly portable, it delivers professional quality results, making it ideal for furniture repairs, cabinet building, and on-site woodworking projects. TEENO 800-watt router. The TEENO 800-watt router is a compact yet powerful electric hand rotor designed for edging, trimming, grooving, and detailed woodworking tasks. Featuring an 800-watt pure copper motor with speeds up to 31,000 RPM, it delivers smooth and precise results. The transparent base enhances visibility, while the ergonomic rubber grip ensures comfortable handling. Compatible with 6/6.35mm collets, it's ideal for a variety of bits. Commonly sold as a kit, it includes guides, wrenches, and multiple bits. Users appreciate its value, performance, and accuracy, though some note the included bits are basic and recommend adding a plunge base for advanced work. Pukamam 20-piece flap wheel set. The Pukamam 20-piece flap wheel set offers a versatile collection of 80 grit aluminum oxide abrasive wheels with a 1/4 inch shank, perfect for drills and die grinders. This 20-piece set includes 10 different wheel sizes, suitable for rust removal, deburring, cleaning welds, and finishing wood or metal surfaces. made from high-quality aluminum oxide bonded to flexible flaps. These wheels provide consistent performance across various applications, including paint stripping and surface renewal. Users appreciate their durability and effectiveness, noting they perform well for DIY and workshop tasks, especially after soaking in warm water to extend life. Milescraft PushStick. The Milescraft PushStick, Model 3404, is a vital woodworking safety tool that keeps your hands safely away from table saw blades and router bits. Featuring a bright yellow, high visibility design, it has a tall, angled handle that naturally positions your hand away from danger. Its soft, high traction TPR bottom prevents slipping and protects your workpiece, while the rear heel lip enables precise push-pull control. The narrow profile is perfect for ripping thin stock durable and reliable. Users praise its enhanced safety, superior grip, and stability, making it a must-have workshop accessory. PEC Tools Digital Caliper. The PEC Tools Digital Caliper is a professional-grade measuring tool crafted from hardened stainless steel, offering exceptional durability and precision. Designed for demanding environments, it typically features a 6-inch, 150mm range with IP67 protection, making it waterproof, dustproof, and oil-resistant. The large LCD screen displays measurements in inches, millimeters, or fractions, with high accuracy of plus or minus 0.001 inch, plus or minus 0.02 millimeters, and resolution of 0.0005 inch, 0.01 millimeter. Its functions include measuring inside, outside, depth, and step dimensions, with zero setting and auto power off. Users praise its robust build, reliability, and excellent value for workshop precision. Milescraft JointMate Dowel Jig. The Milescraft JointMate Dowel Jig, models 1332 and 1319, is a compact handheld tool designed to create precise corner, edge, and surface dowel joints in boards 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick. Its self-centering design eliminates manual measuring, while hardened steel bushings accommodate 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 3/8 inch dowels. The adjustable fence ensures consistent alignment across multiple pieces. Popular among DIYers and professionals alike, it's praised for simplicity, accuracy, and affordability. Users appreciate the quick setup and strong joints, though some note the need for firm handling or clamping on harder woods to avoid minor misalignment. GOINGMAKE Dowel Jig Set. The GOINGMAKE Dowel Jig Set is a durable, all-metal woodworking tool crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, designed for precise and strong dowel joints. Its self-centering design eliminates manual hole marking, making it beginner-friendly and highly accurate. The set includes multiple hardened steel bushings, 6mm, 8mm, 10mm, for versatile dowel sizes, and fits wood blocks from 0.4 to 2 inches thick. Clear auxiliary markings enhance precision for corner, edge, and surface joints in furniture or cabinet projects. Users praise its robust build, consistent results, and excellent value, though proper clamping is recommended for best performance. Milescraft CenterFinder. The Milescraft CenterFinder, models 8408/8458, is a self-centering marking tool that lets woodworkers quickly and accurately scribe center and offset lines without measuring, made from durable ABS plastic It works on boards up to 2.5 inches, 65 millimeters thick. The Imperial version offers offsets from 1/16 inch to 5/8 inch, while the metric model ranges from 1 millimeter to 20 millimeters. A center hole holds a number 2 pencil with a built-in storage compartment. A rare earth magnet allows easy storage on metal surfaces. Users praise its simplicity, speed and reliability, though the pencil may fit tightly at times. BORA PM1050 mobile base. The BORA PM1050. Mobile base is a versatile, heavy-duty steel dolly designed to move woodworking machinery up to 400 pounds, 181 kilograms, with ease. Its adjustable frame expands from 12 by 12 inches to 26 by 26 inches square, or up to 16 by 36 inches rectangular, accommodating a wide range of machines. Equipped with 3-inch hard rubber wheels and locking foot levers, it ensures both smooth mobility and stable operation. Constructed from durable alloy steel with a low-profile design, it adds less than an inch to machine height. Users praise its strength, reliability, and ease of maneuvering in small workshops. Eleon Self-Centering Dowel Guide. The Eleon Self-Centering Dowel Jig is a high-quality aluminum alloy woodworking tool designed for precise, strong dowel joints. Its elongated jaws provide superior grip and stability, clamping wood from 0.59 to 2.5 inches wide. The self-centering mechanism ensures perfectly aligned holes, while ruler markings allow quick spacing adjustments. Durable and abrasion resistant, it suits both hobbyists and professionals. The set typically includes the jig and sample dowels, with drill bits sold separately. Users praise its accuracy, robust build, and ease of use, noting only occasional recalibration after heavy use. EZARC 15-piece drill and countersink set. The EZARC 15-piece drill and countersink set is a versatile woodworking kit crafted from nitride-treated high-speed steel, allowing you to drill pilot holes and countersinks in one smooth step for a professional finish. This durable set features CRV alloy chamfer edges, offering twice the lifespan of standard carbon steel. The 15 pieces include tapered drill bits, wood plug cutters, depth stop rings, screwdriver bits, a magnetic extension shaft, and an Allen key, all neatly organised in a storage box. Users praise its precise drilling, smooth action, and adjustable depth stops for consistent high-quality results. Multi-Angle Drill Guide. The Multi-Angle Drill Guide is a versatile tool that transforms any standard hand drill into a precise, angle-adjustable drilling machine. It allows drilling at angles from 0 degrees to 60 degrees, providing the accuracy of a drill press with the flexibility of a handheld drill. Features include a stable clamping system, depth control, and a V-groove base for round materials. Compatible with most corded and cordless drills, up to 1/2 inch chucks, it ensures consistent, accurate results. Popular models include the Milescraft DrillMate, Wolfcraft 4, 52, 5404, and Viva Multi-Angle Drill Guide, all praised for precision, stability, and versatility. Minova EPS Foam RASP. The Minova EPS Foam RASP is a professional-grade hand tool designed for fast and efficient leveling of EPS foam boards and EIFS insulation systems. Featuring a 12-grit tungsten carbide surface, it offers durability up to 100 times longer than standard sandpaper, ensuring quick and precise material removal. Its ergonomic handle reduces fatigue during extended use, while versatile length options 4 inches by 14 inches, 8 inches by 14 inches, 48 inches, accommodate various projects. Some models include an aluminum plate for dust-free operation with a vacuum. Trusted by construction professionals, it delivers reliable performance, smoother surfaces, and significant time savings on site. Minova 10-inch folding insulation saw. The Minova 10-inch folding insulation saw, model KD03F, is a precision hand tool designed for clean, efficient cutting of soft and semi-rigid insulation materials. Its 10-inch high-quality steel blade features wave-shaped serrated teeth to minimize dust while slicing through mineral wool, fiberglass, rock wool, and foam insulation. The ergonomic ABS and TPU handle ensures comfort and a secure grip, while the foldable design with a safety lock provides portability and protection. Users praise its sharpness, fast cutting, reduced mess, and reliable safety features, though it's best suited specifically for insulation tasks rather than general woodworking.